Hello, teacher and classmates. I am Andrea Jimenez. The topic I select is the use of grammar translation method in teaching English. Okay, this story aims to describe the partners of grammar translation method and to know the reasons why the teachers use the method. Okay, the method, this method of the study was described qualitative method as Vaughan defines the qualitative approach as a research producer which produce a descriptive data such as verbal or nonverbal utterances or words from the object behind observed. The subjects of the study were two English teachers at the 7th grade in academy. The instruments used were in the form of observation sheet and questionnaires. Okay, fitness and discussion. The data obtained from observation are discussed here based on the topic of the study, which focused on the partners of grammar translation method in teaching English used by the teachers at the 7th grade. There were two teachers who taught a 7th grade students, namely teacher A and teacher B, including their students observed in the study. Okay, teacher A used another method called understanding by context. While the teacher B only used grammar translations. The data, okay, this is the table 1. Okay. Okay, the table 1, the partners of grammar translation method in teaching English. Subject, the characteristics of grammar translation method and patterns. Teacher A. Teacher A designs the characteristics of grammar translation method. One this class is taught in mother tongue way. Vocabulary is taught in the form of list is words, long elaborate explanations of grammar, and reading of difficult classic tests. Little attention is paid over the contents of the text. Teacher B, his characteristics are class is taught in the mother tongue way. Vocabulary is taught in the form of lists of isolated words. Long elaborate explanations of grammar are given. Okay. Okay. The grammar translation method used by the two teachers of the 7th grade students, such as 1. The classes were taught mainly in mother tongue way, and 2. The vocabulary was tau in the form only in solid words. Log 3. The grammar improved the rules for putting words. 4. 5. Reading difficult classical tests were necessary. Okay,